Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Jira Insight, which is a part of premium feature of Jira. So, Insight or Jira Insight is data-driven feature help us to adapt existing processes, drive better outcomes, and plan with the confidence. Insights are currently available for Scrum metrics in both company managed and team managed projects, formerly classic and next generations. We can find the Insight button on our board here in the backlogs and active sprint sections. Back to board, active sprints. Here the insight is available. So there are three parts within the insight. We'll see how we can see and manage insight in Jira. If you want to learn Jira from scratch, please watch my complete Jira playlist. I will also include the playlist detail in description tab. And if you have any queries, please reach out to me for Jira. So as I said, Jira Insight is having three parts. It means it's divided into three, which is Insight menu. So when we will refresh this page, the data will be updated successfully, which contains done, in progress, and not started. If I will move the step, this will be automatically updated and we have to refresh this. Whenever I will revert it back again, we have to refresh this and we'll get the detail. Now, let's see, I moved here and we can see this detail has been updated as 36% of data has been done. Now, in the settings tab, when we'll click on the settings, it will navigate into this customization sections where we can enable and disable some of the features of the Insight. Second sections, we have detailed insights, which contains a separated into its own card. Inside includes call out alongside the visualizations related to the matrix, which help us to icon to quickly find further informations about an insight. And we also have feedback sections. So whenever we we have to give the feedback and we wanted to give any feedback, we can select this and we'll navigate back to feedback sections. In sprint burn down sections, we can see the burn down related detail, which contains throughout a sprint, we and our team can track exactly how much work remains compared to how much work was planned. This helps us to manage and pace effort and gives an adequate time to respond to the team. The y-axis represents the total amount of work committed to a sprint as a work completed. The percentage and corresponding blue line reduce, indicating how much works remain. Epic progress is generally showing the complete epic represents a big goal, project, or outcome instead of tackling everything all at once. Scrum teams often break down big goals into smaller pieces of work that then get added to time box sprint. Epic progress insight help us to connect the work we are doing in our sprint to the larger goal outcomes or epic. This could mean our sprint only contains issues working towards one epic, such as launch plan, or maybe our team chooses to divide and conquer and add work to the sprint that helps to progress multiple epics. Insight also indicates when the issues in our sprint aren't working towards any epic. And when we talk about the progress, sprint progress, this is exactly how our sprint progressing across each status category, making it easier for our team or PO set expectations or see walkthrough. The bar is split by the number of story pointers. So here, when you can see here, I will just refresh this page and we can see this is separated by the story pointer issues or time assigned to each status category. If our project has story points enabled, the progress bar will update when the points are added to each issues. And here we can see the percentage of progress done and not started. And this also updates. Now, exactly same details also we have in the backlog section. So in backlog sections, we can also see sprint commitment, issue type breakdown, and further with the given feedback. So in particular sprint, how many pointers we have assigned. The points from completed sprints are added to find up our the coverage. Now in active sprints, if you can see here done And when I will return back to the backlog sections and click on see the issue type breakdown is story. And now here we have the old sprint 2 detail, old sprint 3 details, and old sprint 4 details. So this is how breakdowns will cover. Now if we want to customize our insights, simply we have to go to the insight sections, and here customizations will have two options, board and backlog. So backlog sections, if I want to disable it, sprint commitment, simply I will toggle this tab and this will be disabled. So when I will return back to my backlog, I won't see sprint commitment is available. I can see here just issue type breakdown. So simply we can enable it and disable it at any point of time, or any actions which is ever required. Same thing is available for boards as well. If I want to disable sprint progress or sprint burn down, and any of the options we can enable or disable it totally according to our need. So this is how we can view the insights which shows the complete detail about the projects and their progress, so that we can wrap up our teams quickly. So that's all from Jira Insight. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.